Hello students, this is to go over the Canvas quiz. On the Canvas quiz you had to calculate from the quiz scores in the frequency table the mean, median, mode, and range. And you had to round that to the nearest tenth. So the first thing you wanted to do, if you're going to do this using your calculator, is hit Stat and then go into the Edit area, enter your data into the two lists, List 1 and List 2. You'll notice that List 1 matches up with my quiz scores, and List 2 is my frequency. There's only one variable here, which is the quiz scores, and it just says each time I have 6 quiz scores of a 5, 8 quiz scores of a 6, 14, 7. So it's just like instead of writing them all out that many times, it's all given in this frequency table. So then I'm going to go to my table and I'm going to hit word stat. I'm going to hit enter, stat, and go over to calculate, arrow over to one variable stats. I need to make sure that I put L1 in list 1 and L2 in list 2. So if you do not, if this is blank, like this, clear, would look like this, you just need to go to arrow down and then hit the second key, and then there's this little blue L2, you just hit L2, that's how you get it, because the little blue, when you hit blue, that means that's the key you're getting, and then you're going to enter, and here you'll have your data. You'll notice the mean is 8.45, and it says to round that to one decimal point, so you have to, since it's a 5 right after the 4, that becomes a score of 8.5. The median is, you're going to scroll down to get the median, and that's going to be a 9. The mode is a score that occurs the most, and that's that score of 10, which happened 36 times. So the mode is 10. There's nothing else that has the same mode, so it's only the 10, and the range is 10 minus 5, which is 5. So the range of 5 points. That's it, and you'll have your final answer. Thanks for checking out on this video. Bye.